So here we have the Nissan Qashqai on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. And then these two tray sections, lift and removes, give you even more space again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. First of all, on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 65,992. Above that, we have the trip computer section. So you can change information that's displayed here for various things, including, as you can see, your digital readout for the speedometer. Now, various driver settings and aids. You've also then got your auxiliary input, or any audio source will appear on here. Satellite navigation as well, and then back around to the beginning again, all done via these buttons just here. We have our stereo controls beneath that, cruise control and speed limiter, as well as phone controls, and then over into the center, the main touchscreen. So you have some physical buttons down the right and left hand sides, for example, your map, nav, but it all then becomes touchscreen, so you can input an address on here, for example. Setup, it will give you all of the settings options you can see on the screen now. You can pair your phone, of course, just hit connect and then pair new device. When it comes to your audio, we have AM, DAB and FM radio, a CD player, auxiliary input and Bluetooth audio. If we pop the car into reverse, you'll see the reversing camera and a bird's eye view image of where the car is parked right now. And it goes a couple of steps beyond that. Press the camera button, you get a front-facing camera and the bird's eye view, front-facing camera and the front passenger side wheel. Beneath that, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in. That's then the air conditioning turned on. Same button will turn it off again, or hit auto. As you can see, the car will then take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. Any manual adjustment will override that and allow you to put it back on your own settings. We have a 12-volt charging socket, electronic handbrake, and then the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, as well as 2 cup holders. And then the panoramic glass roof. So there is a button up here that will open the sunblind all the way to the back of those rear seats. And as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.